First thing is we have to get Git. Git is I think it is some sort of reversion control mechanism that is available for free. When you use GitHub, you can use that. Right. Go to this link, right? http://gitscm.com and download Win. So go here and get the latest release for Windows system. Maybe depends on your byte size of your OS. You can get the relevant executable, get it, and then you install that. Could you complete that step now? So let us do step by step to install these two. First, you download Git from the repository, and then you also download Visual Studio Code from the website, a respective website, and then install them. Right now. So this is the thing. Can you do it parallelly? So all of you try it. If you face any challenge, let me know. So first, let us install Git. Git and GitHub are two different things. Git is the version control things that it uses some sort of commands to fetch from GitHub and then keep the files in your directory. Though it is like a program, right? The GitHub we have no, that is just a repository. It is like a storage place where you used to store, right? So in order to do these file transactions, we require Git. Get the Git from here and install that. If you face any challenge, let me know so that we can discuss that. All of you, please do that now. Maybe it used to prompt different things. You always select the default option for all the questions. I think while installing Git, it used to ask a lot of questions. Just select the default selections and then you proceed. Yeah. So
64.
you're 64-bit. Okay. Yeah, just to give new. Sorry, next.
Next.
Yeah, you can give next. Select only default option. No need to go for.
Okay.
That's all. You can just leave that. And then the next step is download Visual Studio Code and install that. There is a link. I think I pasted the link for Visual Studio Code as well.
Can you share once more?
Okay. No problem. No issue. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No, you didn't accept the ICE agreement. That is the issue.
Yes, sir.
Done now.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So we have installed Git and we also install Visual Studio. Well, let us check whether the Git is accessible to us. Go to command prompt. I think they are direct, they by themselves adding a path, but anyhow, let us check that whether that is working. For that, we have to go, yeah, go to command prompt and then type the command, simply Git. Just type command Git and then give enter. Maybe. I think it is working right now.